Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. I'm about to head back to Texas, but before I do, I want to challenge one of my van life friends. You know, we've been doing something kind of cool while we're traveling, and so I'm gonna challenge Brock to a little friendly competition. Let's go get him. Brock. There he is.
Are you making chicken noises? What is that?
So I got a challenge for you. Do you want to participate in a challenge?
And we know I'm gonna win this challenge. So.
Do you want to know what the challenge is?
What's the challenge?
So my challenge is we're going to geocache, and we're not only going to find the best geocache, but maybe the most geocaches, because we really like geocaching. But I think it would be better if we do it and then we let the audience vote on who finds the best thing.
Clearly, I'm gonna win, but I think the loser needs to buy the winner dinner.
I mean, I think that that's a legit thing. We could probably wager on this. So this is gonna be fun. We need to talk about the parameters though and what we can expect to find. Okay, so I am gonna do a video on my channel. Brock is gonna do a video on his channel. Both of these videos will go up on the same day. They will document our process of geocaching. You have to watch both of them and then tell us which one you like best. And we'll have like a call to action in both the videos so that you can vote in the comments, and that way we can keep up with it. And we'll keep the voting open for 1 week. That way you guys can determine who has the best geocache, but also you can see who found the most. Now I think we should probably put a timetable on how long it is that we can geocache too. So we'll discuss that part and make sure it's included in the next video. But Brock, are you down for this?
I'm down because I know I'm getting a free dinner out of this.
Wow, okay. So game on.
I will find all the gold.
Challenge accepted.
All the gold is mine.
No, he's not gonna find the gold. But this is up to you guys, so be watching on both of our channels for a geocaching video that is the geocaching challenge or something like that. We'll also make a community tab post so you guys can know when it's happening, where it's happening, how long that we decided that we were going to geocache for in order to find our finds, and then it's up to you guys to tell us which one that you like the best. So game on, here we go.